you just couldn't be honest. Gave more than you wanted to. Think I'm gonna sit and take it? Well, this is me, I don't fake it. You were so shady. Say what you really mean. It's not that complicated. So go ahead and reel it in. All the things you gave so freely don't make me feel guilty. You know it's all on you. Funny how I ask too much. How does it feel to patronize